Quality Crew. Welcome back to my channel, guys. So, guys, first of all, Happy New Year. I know I'm late, but Happy New Year to every one of you all. Guys, as the year starts, I get the flu. So, that's why I wasn't vlogging as much and often. So I'm just getting over it. I still have a little cough, but thank God it's not another thing. I'm just the flu, guys. So I not too long come from work, and well, today's I'm going to start back my juicing. If you guys watch on my previous vlog before, I lost a lot of weight when I started juice, and it was just juicing only, no eating nothing, just juicing, right, guys? So I'm starting that today. Hopefully I stick to it, because my birthday is coming up in May, right? And I want to celebrate my birthday with a semi-flat stomach. I know my stomach would be so flat as I want it to be, but you know, at least I would just like, look a little snatched. So I have, out of my freezer, I only blended two things, and I'm using a normal blender and I'm straining it after, right? So I'm using this, what is it called again, boy? These stalks, spinach stalks. I had that in the deep freeze, and I also have carrots. So I'm using like a pan of carrots and the stalk, blend that up together, strain that, and that would be that. Yeah, nothing fancy, nothing too hectic and all that kind of thing. So guys, I'm just going to cut it up now. Guys, oh my gosh, like this is the second year, guys. Like the second year that I haven't spent it with my mom, or my mom haven't called me on the phone, So that is like, I was like kind of like going through it at the same time when I was sick. So it's like, oh my gosh, mommy, your mother is your mother at the end of the day. So I was just like, out of sadness and stuff like that. She passed away in 2021. Not from COVID or anything like that, but it was very, very hard. It's still hard, and as you guys see in most of my videos, let me show you guys. That's a big picture of her on the wall. Now, when she first had passed away, guys, I could not look at that picture whatsoever. My door is like right there, and when I come into the door, it's just like the picture I'm seeing, and I was like, oh my gosh. And it was so sad for me. It still is, but not as often as it was before. So it's not hard for me only because I have two other siblings, and of course it's hard for all of us, and especially my son as well, because a granddaughter, she's small, so little babies wasn't really, feel much of the filter and stuff like that. But yeah, guys, I wanted to talk to you all. I wanted to have basically like a story time and tell you guys my whole experience of that. But I don't think it's a good idea, because I could be crying, go feel sorry for it, and I don't want nobody feeling sorry, and at the same time, but I don't want nobody really feeling sorry and stuff for me. I just like, you want to remember things. I mean, that is something you really do want to remember, as tragic as it was. But at the same time, I like to probably go back to the video and, how I explain and everything and how it was happening and stuff like that. But I don't think I reached that stage yet because, if you know, you know. So, yeah. So, I'm just going to just chop up these carrots. And guys, these carrots wasn't in the freeze. So, it's kind of like difficult to cut right now. Okay, alright, it's easy now, like it's all out. So, yeah, guys. So, what do you think of the new year? The new year starts. What are they doing for the new year? They're changing up on itself and they remain in the same way. I'm just juicing ready for my birthday. But I don't think that I can do that for the rest of my life. Because, listen, I like to eat. I like to eat some food. You understand? And I'm a medium breed, a big breed, however you all call it. I am not that slim girl or whatever. From since ever, when I was a baby, I fat. You understand? So I find this juicing and eating small portions, that is not for me. Seriously, not for me. But I really want to I have an idea of my birthday suit. Not nakedness. My birthday wear. And I say, well, my belly had to go down a little bit to fit in it. Because I don't want to really put on no corset or anything to stand me, because hello, on my birthday I want to eat too. So yes, I have that idea of that, and I'm planning to have a little kind of birthday party or a bashment kind of something. Not too sure yet, but yeah, I mean, I'm getting older, so that might be my first big party and my last big party, because I don't think I want to have any birthday party after that. So guys, I went on Fashion Nova and I watched so much. These Fashion Nova clothing is very, very nice, but they're expensive too, because I'm in Trinidad and US money ain't no easy money. So yeah, and I was thinking this suit is like a bodysuit something, and high heels. No guys, I can't walk in high heels to save my life, because I grew up like a tomboyish. I always wear sneakers. From since I know myself, it's always sneakers. Guys, even slippers or sliders, however you always call it, I can't walk in that now. And they laugh at me, but I just to put on slippers with a hole in it, I feel like if my foot going and fall out on all the sides. Oi! But I have one sandals and I get accustomed to it because it have the strap to the back and it holding your foot. So that is this kind of thing I can wear, and I'll tell you only one because I like sneakers. I like sneakers real bad. So yeah. So guys, I'm just going to finish up this Justin, and I will get right back to you guys. As I already see, I not too long come from work. So after this juicing, I have to go and take a shower and everything. Or you might see this off of my head and my bonnet back on. I'm not too sure because this year I'm trying not to want it to be seen me in my bonnet because that's all that they see me in. Most of the time it's my bonnet on my head. I like my bonnet anyway. But yeah guys, so here I would show you guys the end results of this juice.
So guys, before I start juicing, I had a little laundry to do, so I'm doing my laundry now. So guys, this is the bleach I use, so I'm training my bleach here. And then this is the fabric softener I use. I don't really use that type of fabric softener all the time. And I also started back to use my liquid laundry detergent, guys. And I'm starting my juicing process.
So guys, before I go and take a shower and stuff like that, I have 3 bottles of my juice. So I don't know if that would last for like 2 or 3 days or whatever like that. But I decided to eat because doing it just alone, you just really feel hungry. And me working around like food places, I would definitely quicker grab a KFC or Royal Castle or something like that. So I would like do something like peas and veg, something like that. And that would be my whole diet kind of thingy there until May. But I'll keep you guys updated if, like, I eat any, takeaway food or anything like that. I'll keep you guys, if you guys want to know. But yeah, right? So let me go and take a shower and everything now and get back to you guys, okay? So guys, I'm back. I have taken my bath and stuff like that. So guys, I'm gonna make something hot to drink, like some ginger tea, because this is a really last minute thing on this juicing and going on this diet. So yeah, so we're gonna make something hot. Let's grate some ginger and some water, hot water, and drink that. So guys, I hope you enjoyed a little vlog. Again guys, apologize, I've been so late on this, vlogging thing for the year. But I know you guys are having a good time so far this year. And I wish every one of you, all the best for this new year. And I hope you achieve your goals. And if you ain't set no goals or anything, but I hope you do something different and exciting this year, like myself, because I want to do different things this year as well. So please like, comment, and subscribe, guys. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. And yeah, bye, guys. From healthy me to healthy.